Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Phil from DefydeGarage. We are back here with the 2017 C63 Amg. I'm not sure how exactly we got our hands on this vehicle, but we got it. Now, if you watched my last video, you can see that I actually bought one of my dream cars, which is this guy right here. Now, in today's video, we're going to be reviewing this guy. 2017 C63 Amg. This thing is the most fun way to lose your license, so let's get right into it. You guys, this is not a blend-in type of car. Just right off of the exterior of this vehicle, you can see it got the long hood with the little hood lines, makes it look really good. It got the aggressive front bumper. Look at this thing. This is a monster. You see this in your rear view mirror? You're moving. You're out of the left lane because this guy is gonna fly by you. You can see it got the wide fenders. Get out of my way. I need more room. Now, come to the back. It got my favorite part, the junk in the trunk. What we got here, quad exhaust. It's either quad or nothing. Don't even buy the car if you're gonna take the quad exhaust off or if it's not gonna have it. Let's pop the hood. All right, hood is popped. Let's get in there. Quick rundown of the actual engine itself. Every single AMG engine is handcrafted. This one specifically built by Paul Mitchell. Thank you for building this engine for my car and for the previous owners that owned it, clearly. This is a 4-liter twin turbo V8 engine producing 469 horsepower. What was I gonna say? Hold on, I had something. Hold on. Oh, now this vehicle is a rear wheel drive model, meaning as soon as you step on that gas, those wheels are spinning. They're not holding the ground. They're spinning. Don't drive the car in the rain. You won't have the car most likely. Enough about the engine. You may be asking yourself, okay, you told me, the engine's nice, it looks good, it's aggressive, it's fun, you can go out on a date with it, you can race people with it, but is it really a good daily driver? Let's find out. Let's hear the warm startup because the car's already been on for an hour. So I'm gonna give you guys the microphone here. That is just enough sound to make your neighbors mad. Let's hop in. All right, so question of the day is, could you daily it? Short answer is yes, you could. Long answer is also yes, if you care about going to the gas station more than seeing your own family. This thing, I think, averages about 17 miles per gallon, and that's if you're nice with it. If you're pressing the gas, you're driving how you normally would your regular Honda Civic, flooring it every once in a while, you're gonna get less than 17 miles per gallon. Is the maintenance cheap? Could I daily drive this and expect myself to fix it when it breaks down? Just like every other German car, the answer is no. Clearly not. This car is gonna be expensive to maintain. Now, your regular oil changes, brakes, kind of things like that, you'll be okay. Once something breaks in the engine bay, thermostat, water pump, don't get me started on turbos, you're looking in for a hefty dime. And if you're not doing the work yourself, probably shouldn't own the car in the first place. So to kind of take it through and figure out, is this really a good daily driver? We have to do the test of a daily driver. What does that mean? Can you park it in between two cars in a tight parking lot without expecting door dings? Can you go through a drive-thru? We're gonna just run it through a few basic tests. The first one we're gonna do is, can we really park it in between two cars and still have room to get out? We gotta find two cars and we gotta park in between them. That's what we gotta do here. So we actually are gonna kill two birds with one stone here. We pulled up to the grocery store. Now, if this is gonna be your daily driver, you gotta be able to go to the grocery store. I usually park backwards, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna see whether or not we can park forward in between two cars. Is it comfortable? Is it easy? How does it feel? Come on, give a signal maybe, dumbass. Let's go ahead and walk in the center of Narnia here.
Why did Ivan text you and say you ready for the next Dungeons and Dragons session?
Oh no. All right, we have found a spot. I'm driving and now we're gonna take a little left. Da, 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 da. Oh. All right, that was fairly easy. I'd say this is a good grocery getter. Works out pretty good. We gotta go pick up some groceries. All right, we got the packages. I'd say that fits pretty well. On to the next. Now on our way to our next location, which would be the drive-thru. You know, we gotta test it out. See, can you go through a drive-thru? As we're still driving there, let's talk about the interior a little bit. It has its perks. It has the carbon trim, as you guys can see. It got the little AMG right here. It has all the little knobs for all the features you could want. It has heated seats. You know, it's luxurious for a 2017, but no touchscreen. It's almost as if we're in like 2009. We still have a knob down here. So we just saw McDonald's. Let's go get a water. For the video's sake, you know, let's just test it out. All right, so we're getting through the drive-thru. I just go ahead and ordered my water. Can I get a medium Sprite? And can I get a medium fry?
Medium French or anything else?
Just some ranch.
Anything else?
That's it. Nope, that should be it.
Okay.
I'm excited for my water. It's actually a very hot day today, so water would go great. I was kind of hungry, but nothing on the menu really looked too good, so kind of just going through the drive-thru, it feels very comfortable. I mean, I'm sitting in a nice bucket seat. This is your daily driver. So just going into this drive-thru, I was kind of scared. I'm like, are the sidewalks gonna be like very tight-knit where I can't even get in? Like most you ever seen a Starbucks drive-thru? The worst. Every time you go there, you got those, they're like enclosed. It's almost like if I turn a little too much, boom, rim, gone. And I gotta buy a whole set. No, this car in this drive-thru, smooth as butter on a pan. I'm talking, I took a left and I went right into the straight portion of the order line. See, they got my water somewhere over there and I'm excited for it. At least I hope they didn't give my water to someone else. That's all I ordered. We're gonna find out. I don't know what's taking so long. All I ordered was a water. I know it's from tap water, so I'm not seeing where the disconnect between how long it's taken and me okay, here we go. Never mind.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just a water. Thank you very much. That's Sprite. This car's fast. There goes my miles per gallon. Now, after that unplanned snack break right there, I feel really rejuvenated. And I am gladly here to say that this car is 100% a perfect daily driver. Now, let's just go ahead and do some sound tests. We're gonna turn the car on. I'm gonna switch it from comfort to Sport Plus and give it a few revs to see whether the exhaust sounds any different in any of the modes. Wait. All right, now what you guys just heard is the car in Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. In my opinion, from inside the car, the Sport and the Comfort sounded almost identical. But when you put this monster in Sport Plus, I'm pretty sure this exhaust does have valves, and when it's in Sport Plus, it's a lot louder because it's idling currently, and it has some crazy pops. I'm gonna try to get a clip of the car getting some pops. Well, we safely made it back with a little bit less rubber on the rear tires, but that's okay. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys would drive this car over another car, please comment down below or comment down the car that you would get as opposed to this one. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Get that little notification bell because I know most of you don't get my notifications or you don't know that I've uploaded. Has been your boy Phil from DefydeGarage, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.